morning, everyone. Today we will discuss about the company's problem that are going on. I received a report that our sales have fallen in the last 3 months and are expected to continue to decline in the next few months. This is because we are in winter, which means sales are currently in declining phase. Meanwhile, our sales are cyclical and will increase in the spring and summer. Because we are interesting winter and our inventory is too high, we need to reduce production activities so that are no build up in the inventory sections. In addition, I found several problem factors that cause sales failures in the products on the market, which first access market or marketing failures, which is where the potential market size is small, there is no clear product differentiation, poor positioning, and misunderstood customer needs. Financial failure in the sense of low rates of returns on investment. Timing failure, it's like getting into late or getting into the market too soon. The market hasn't developed. Technical failure, it's because the product doesn't work, and bad designs. Organizational failure, it is because not in accordance with the organizational culture and lack of support from the organizations. Six, and the last environment failure is due government regulation and macroeconomic factors. Our company employs 200 sewing staff and is paid for each piece of fabric worked. They have also been trained by companies that pay quite a lot of money. Each of our staff capable of producing 150 pieces a day. So we need to reduce the amount of production 100 pieces a day. From the problem, I found several options for solving problem. The first is that we retain staff, but we reduce in the initial working hours from 8 hours a day to 5 hours a day, or we lay off about 6 until to 70 showing staff. Well, then I would like to hear the opinion of our argument of the chief scientists regarding the current pollution problem.
Previously, I had received an early copy of an article soon to be published in major scientific journal. From what I read, I found that the antibacterial chemical that we use in fabric we produce have the potential to damage the environment. No matter how much we try to find ways to produce and waste product, the results are still new and we have no alternative way to reduce it except by not using this chemical. At this time, the company is also conducting campaign activities about caring for the environment. One way that has begun to be implemented is by using environment-friendly material. That is also what causes the sales of our product to decrease in turnover because the material products are not good for environment health. We also have a clear ethical obligation not to pollute the environment.
Actually, I'm worried if the chemical is still used because it will damage the environment. As we already know, the clothes we produce are of good quality, so the costs incurred are also large. This is also the influence of the market segmentation that we ask. If customers find out that the clothes we produce contain chemicals that can damage the environment, they might stop buying them. However, on the other hand, if we stop using the materials, the clothes that are produced do not have the same quality as the previous ones because the material used do not absorb sweat easily, and in the end, wearing clothes when they are sweaty will cause an odor, so that it will reduce the company's monthly value. On the other hand, apart from the material problem, from what I have observed in the market. Regarding the product we offer, the design we make also feel monotonous and less varied. On the other hand, if you want the clothes to sell in all market, we shall provide a large selection of products so that the price offered can vary depending on the needs and quality you want to get.
I'm concerned about the two suggested decision option. I think to choose from the two options, the decision that has been suggested regarding the problem of production is less efficient and precise. Regarding the two options suggested, I have the opinion that both of them have their respective impact. When the company retains employees who have good performance, it will have advantages such as when the company's economic situation has recovered, entrepreneurs will have to rather looking for new employees. The recruitment of new employees also costs a lot of money. When the economy recovers, the company's economy does not need to be difficult to start again to normal production levels. When we experience a state of decline in sales, then we need to reduce the amount of material product by 100 per day from the previous 150 per day. Then, for the option of laying off employees as such as 50 and 60 will have consequence from the company. From employees who have been laid off, the company is required to pay severance pay. Not only that, when we lay off employees, we have no great way of being able to re-employ when the company recovers, which has been trained by the company and costs a lot of money. But if we reduce the working hours, they will likely be short in meeting their needs.
I think for other than option layoff, I have an opinion about what if we move production to a country where spending on staff wages is lower and working conditions are not so favorable, in the sense that we choose employees who are less reliable in the field so that we spend less in spending on staff salaries. And if we move production to that country, the laws on environmental sustainability are not so strict, so we can still use the material. Well, I will conclude the result of discussion starting from the chief scientists who mentioned that the marketing failure was caused by the antibacterial fabrics that were not environmentally friendly used in fabrics and the campaign to care for the environment. Next to marketing manager is the market segmentation that is too high because the fabric is good but contains antibacterial ingredients that are not environmentally friendly. The lack of varied products so that they are not sold in the market. The HR manager states that the reduction of employees is considered ineffective because the company will provide severance pay and lose reliable employees. And if the company's condition improve again, larger funds are needed for employment recruitment. From the financial manager mentioned that the transfer of production in countries that apply lower wages and environmental sustainability laws are less stringent in their effective value. After seeing the field condition that have been explained, I made the decision not to reduce employees who are already skilled in their fields, but the company will reduce employee working hours, carry out promotional advertisement to support marketing, make clothing design that are more attractive than before, make clothes that are in accordance with current conditions, This takes the environment into account and for the transfer of production approach. I don't think the company needed. We just need to export it. That's all today discussion and the decision I made. Thank you.